The appearance of the model. The front lip design has also been adjusted to extend forward to give greater emphasis to aerodynamic efficiency. The new car is also equipped with brand new wheels and tires with better controllability and smaller rolling resistance, providing ride comfort. It is equipped with tires in size 285/35/22. The new wheels are matte gray in color. The rear shape of the new car has not changed much compared to the current model, and the improvement in power performance has also brought about changes in other details of the appearance, for example, to increase the stability of the front of the car. The front part has been extended further than the current model. As an SUV, it is not synonymous with low efficiency. Thanks to its aerodynamic design, the drag coefficient is only 0.24, which is the result of numerous aerodynamic details. In terms of interior, the new model. The new 17-inch horizontal touchscreen can also adjust the tilt angle left and right. The screen has a resolution of up to 2200 by 1300, high color accuracy and responsiveness. Of course, Tesla's definition of this screen is not just a screen that displays vehicle information, but also an integrated entertainment system that includes gaming. The high-resolution and rotatable screen allows users to watch games and movies. The new car's in-car gaming system is equipped with a processor comparable to the latest game consoles currently on the market. It is compatible with wireless controllers and headsets, allowing you to enjoy gaming in any sitting position. Additionally, optional items include a 22-speaker audio system with up to 960 W of power, as well as active noise reduction for the entire vehicle, seat ventilation and other functions relatively common in luxury cars. An 8-inch screen is added to the middle of the rear row of the new car. In addition to separately controlling the rear air conditioning, this screen also provides rich rear entertainment functions. In terms of power, the Tesla Model X Plaid CLTC cruising range is 664 kilometers. In addition to performance improvements, the new car, whose charging performance has reached the same level as Model 3 and Y, can support 250 kilowatts charging power.